This is a beautiful 1941 Plymouth Special Deluxe convertible, and it was up for auction at the Mecum auction in Orlando. Notice the wide white wall tires, wheel covers and trim rings. Car at this point still has running boards, but they were soon to be eliminated when eventually a flare at the bottom of the doors hid the running board. A beautiful recent restoration. Leather upholstery goes beautifully with the exterior color. And that steering wheel, that's one of the nicest I've seen. And you can see the gear shift there on the steering column. That dash is remarkably almost exactly the same as the one on my aunt's 1948 Plymouth. So as far as the instrument panel and cluster, everything remains essentially the same for many years. Notice the wind wings here. Now that was different. They could be adjusted so that they would have a flow of cool air as you went down the highway coming into the car. Beautiful. I had not seen a pair of those until I saw this car. Here are the specifications. It's well equipped for a car of its day. But notice that last paragraph. It talks about the VIN number, and it's something that really one needs to pay attention to, because if it's not attached the way it was originally at the factory, it can be open to question. And so they're giving a little warning to the prospective buyer to have that checked out wherever you're getting it titled. Notice the center stoplight. And of course Plymouth medallion. Notice the how the bumper raises the edges towards the ends to help prevent overriding of the bumper and parking incidents. And that door panel is just as nice as the seats, really. That knob all the way on the right hand side, I believe that to be the control for the top. So it looks like it has a power top. And it has a side view mirror. It's a real winner. And imagine going through the war years with a car which was as nifty as this one was. And notice the parking lights are on top of the headlamps. Interesting.